Hello and welcome to a brand new episode of Inspirational Brands Make in India. I am Krishna Kumar. Through this series, we aim to acknowledge the success stories of individuals and businesses in the country that are contributing to the nation's Make in India goals.
In 1953, Sri Ram Beriwala laid the foundation of Shyam Steel as a part of the movement to make Indian infrastructure self-reliant in steel production. From a small factory in Havra to a 3,000 crore group, Shyam Steel has emerged as a leading steel manufacturer based on innovation and excellence. The company manufactures and delivers TMT bars and structural steel to infrastructural projects all over India like railways, roads, power plants, airports, as well as to individual home builders. The company's state-of-the-art integrated manufacturing facility in West Bengal boasts of world-class technology and quality control processes to meet the stringent manufacturing requirements for customers in India and overseas. Today, Shyam Steel is a giant conglomerate comprising steel and diverse interests in infrastructure development, power distribution, IT solutions, and agro-processing.
And on the show today, we have with us Mr. Gaurav Beriwal, Vice President Strategy and Head of New Products at Shyam Steel Industries. Gaurav, thank you so much for being with us. Let's begin by talking about Shyam Steel, which was founded back in the year 1953 and is today an established manufacturer of TMT bars in the country. Could you start off by taking us through the journey of Shyam Steel?
In 1953, my grandfather Sri Ram Beriwal started Shyam Steel with a small factory in Havra. It was the dawn of India's independence, and back then he realized that for India to grow, it would have to develop its own infrastructure, and for that we would require high quality steel to be made in India itself. That's why he wanted to set up a steel industry so that India can be self-reliant in its developmental journey. When my grandfather's younger brother Sri Shyam Sundar Beriwal joined soon after, they collectively took the company from strength to strength. We set up one of the first private sector integrated steel plants in the country. We created high quality TMT rebars there, which are used in projects of national importance like bridges, dams, airports, highways, etc. But we also wanted to bring this steel to every home builder in India. You see, steel was typically bought as a commodity where home builders didn't necessarily realize the criticality of buying the best quality steel to protect their homes. So we undertook the initiative of creating the awareness about the importance of buying the best materials for their homes. We also made our products available in the deepest reaches of rural India through our network of thousands of dealers who are distributed across India. Today, Shyam Steel is a family of more than 5,000 people.
Right. Apart from Shyam Steel's flagship product, which is the Flexi Strong TMT rebar, there are a whole range of products that the company offers. Give us a sense of your product portfolio.
Our flagship product is TMT bars, which are steel rods that are used in construction to reinforce concretes. We provide these TMT rebars to both institutional projects and to home builders. Apart from this, we also make composite bricks and a wide range of structural steel items that are used in residential gates and grills. We are also about to launch a range of waterproofing solutions that are to be used at the time of construction itself, such that a home can withstand water damage for decades.
Now, TMT bars are used in nearly all construction projects. Talk to us about the technological processes that you're using to make sure these bars are natural disaster resistant. Also, tell us about the technological innovations that are being used to manufacture Shyam Steel products that makes them unique and stand apart from their competitors.
Most steel manufacturers focus mainly on the strength of their steel. However, research suggests that the flexibility of steel is what makes it withstand natural disasters like earthquakes. Hence, we crafted a TMT bar that has the perfect balance between both strength and flexibility. You see, strength and flexibility are inversely proportional. If you increase strength, flexibility reduces, and vice versa. What Shyam Steel's FlexiStrong TMT bars do is have the optimum strength required to build your home, but also have the sufficient flexibility required to be able to weather natural disasters like earthquakes.
Right, Gaurav, the COVID-19 pandemic has disrupted business across sectors. It has hit societies across the world. Tell us how Shyam Steel is helping society fight this pandemic.
One of the biggest problems people were facing during the pandemic was having access to quality medical guidance. Even in urban areas, access to doctors was limited, and this problem was severely acute in rural areas. Hence, we set up a team of highly reputed doctors, including specialists such as pediatricians, who were always available for online consultations for all our employees and all our external stakeholders as well. All of these stakeholders were able to get the right medical advice for both COVID and non-COVID needs. And all of this was not only made available to them, but also was financed by us. Apart from this, we also held a vaccination drive where we vaccinated all of our employees for free of cost. But we also were able to arrange for enough vaccines such that all of our employees, families, and friends could also be vaccinated. But all of these things were done to make sure that our employees' physical well being was taken care of. To take care of people's mental and emotional well being, we created a show called FlexiStrong Talks. The objective of this show was to bring stories to people which would help people enrich their lives.
Gaurav, giving back to society is a motto for Shyam Steel Industries. Talk to us about some of the other social welfare measures that you've been undertaking.
When my grandfather started this company, he firmly believed that running a company had as much to do with serving the people around you as it had to do with creating quality products and services. That's why for decades now, we have been undertaking a variety of welfare schemes to help the society that we live in. We have taken up a variety of initiatives around women's hygiene, health, safety, education, etc., ranging from running hospitals and schools to distribution of sanitary napkins, to providing access to water and basic relief materials in natural disasters such as for Yas and Amphan and a whole host of other natural disasters that have hit us over the last few decades. Apart from these, we also partner with a variety of NGOs like HelpAge India, Bandhabi, etc. to aid their social work and to be able to spread as much welfare as we can to as many parts of India as we can.
Gaurav, now tell us what are the future plans for your company? Are you planning to expand into newer geographies going forward?
My grandfather and his brother had started and led this company. My father and uncles grew this company. And now the third generation of this family has entered the business, and we are looking to take it from strength to strength and diversify this company. Today, we are not just a TMT rebar company. We have diversified into other sectors such as infra, power transmission, food processing, IT solutions, etc. We are looking to add new products to our core business. And we are even looking at a large expansion of our capacity, both through greenfield and brownfield expansions.
All right, we will leave it at that, Gaurav. Gaurav Beriwal, Vice President, Strategy and Head of New Products at Shyam Steel Industries. Thank you so much for joining us.